Hello, this is a recording for Sunday, March 8th. Today's practice is titled In My Bubble. It is designed to help you create boundaries in the most beautiful way. So take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few nice, easy breaths in and out. Now bring your awareness to the center of your body. Visualize a teeny, clear bubble there, small as one tiny soap bubble. With each inhale, you can expand that bubble. So picture your tiny clear bubble, and as you inhale, fill it to the size of a bubble gum bubble. As you exhale, see it clear, shiny, gum bubble sized. With the next deep inhale, fill it to the size of a balloon. And with the next long exhale, see it clear, shiny, and wobbling, balloon-sized. Deep inhale, bubble rapidly expands until your whole body is encircled. Long exhale, beautiful, bouncy bubble surrounding you. Deep inhale, peaceful in your bubble, flexible and strong. Long exhale. Watch negative energy bouncing off this bubble. Allow your breath to become easy as you rest in your flexible, strong, resilient bubble. It's your bubble. Use it as you like. You can stay in this bubble for as long as you like or pop it anytime you want. Your beautiful, bouncy bubble of boundaries. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to take this practice with you and repeat it during your day as needed. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.